Hey Flucos, for your hands-on activity during your second block, you'll be writing letters to the USO.
The USO stands for the United Service Organization, and their mission is to provide for military members and their families.
Some ideas for your letters are, you can thank them for their service.
You can write some encouraging words.
You can also draw school-appropriate images.
Just have fun and don't be afraid to get creative.
Go Flucos!
United States.
Taylor, would you say thank you for your service? Because you don't mind your business.
Oh my gosh.
Alright. Oh my god.
Don't let it fall!